Imagine a cop being so violent that his own canine decides to attack him rather than the potential suspect, rather than the potential suspect, rather than the potential suspect.
You want to go? Where my shoe at? I don't know, bro. Breathe. He can bite me. What he do? He ain't do that. Oh my God! He biting him. He biting his ass.
Panama City Beach, all right? Now you clearly saw the black male doing absolutely nothing illegal, just simply walking and talking. But see, the cop thought it was an easy opportunity to show his authority, to show his strength. How dare they talk back to me? I am the law. Yeah, I want to remind everyone, let's put up a picture of the canine biting the cop. You see, we've made a lot of jokes about this, take a bite out of crime, the canine turning on the cop. Here's the thing, you see that canine? That canine sees no color. That canine does not see white, black, etc. That canine is trained to attack the aggressor. The canine determined that the cop was the criminal. You see how that happened? There's some people that can take a lesson from that canine. There's some cops that can take a lesson from that canine. There's some cops that can take a lesson from that canine. There's some cops that can take a lesson from that canine.